Hi everyone. I've been out here. It's really, well, it's nice in Minnesota because it's almost 40 degrees. So I was going to refill the bird feeders. And I did well, here, I'll just show you. I can't believe this, and I'm trying to figure it out, and I want you guys to tell me what you think, because I think I found fairy tracks or pixie tracks or something like that. And I'll show you over here, because there was a bird feeder over here I went to fill, and I found these teeny tiny little tracks. And can you see them? And they go, I'll show you, I gotta walk over here. Can you see them? And it's these teeny tiny, there's the shadow of a, I'm trying not to walk in them here. And they go all the way up here. And then I'll show you some other marks I found, but they look like teeny tiny footprints. And here they are. See, little tiny footprints. And then there's like, I don't know what that is. I don't know. It looks like maybe if it was a fairy, maybe she fell or something. I don't know. But if it's a fairy, why isn't she flying? That's what I want to know. And then there's some more over here. And where was it? There was a tiny hare. I don't know where that went. It was so tiny. I should have picked it up. Darn it. But, oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a hare right here. And it's kind of long and it looks like brown or black. And it's not my hair because I have a hat on. But the tracks go all the way out here, and we have some woods over here. But yeah, let me back up here. I'm walking backwards. But yeah, these are just, I wonder if it's a fairy. I've always wanted fairies to be real, but let me go. Oh no, I just stepped on them. But there's the tracks. But anyway, tell me what you think down below. Am I crazy? Are those fairy tracks, or are they some other animal track? I'm gonna have to investigate this some more. I'm super excited because they do look like tiny footprints. But let me know what you think down below. Are these fairy tracks? Am I going crazy? Or what? I'll have to investigate further. I won't be able to do it until I get back because I'm going on a trip. But maybe I'm going to research this some more. Maybe I can set like a little trap or something to see if it's an animal or a... So tell me what you think down below. Are those fairy tracks or pixie tracks, or am I losing it? And I want it to be fairy tracks or pixie tracks. So comment down below what you think, because I really think they are fairy tracks or pixie tracks. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and hit that subscribe button so you can get more updates, because I'm definitely going to update on this. Thanks for watching. Bye.